In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment by engagement in Omnisend. Segmentation helps you target contacts based on how they interact with your emails and your store, so your messages stay relevant and effective. Start by opening your browser and searching for Omnisend. In the results, click the official Omnisend website to head to the platform, then choose Login and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and go to Audience. This is where all your contacts live. From here, select Segments to view any existing groups you've already created. Next, click Create Segment. Omnisend gives you a few ways to begin. You can build from scratch, start from a pre-built segment, or try the AI segment builder. If you're new to this, a pre-built option can be a great starting point that you can tweak. If you know exactly what you need, building from scratch gives you full control. AI can also speed things up by suggesting criteria. Now click Add Filter to define who belongs in this segment. To segment by engagement, consider email activity. Choose filters like Opened Message or Clicked Message, and set a time frame, such as the last 30, 60, or 90 days. Shorter time frames capture your most recently engaged contacts, while longer windows give you a broader audience. You can also look at shopping behavior. Add conditions like placed order or viewed page to include customers who are active on your site, even if they haven't been opening many emails lately. This balances email engagement with real purchase intent and browsing signals. As you add rules, make sure you're using the right logical operators. Use and when contacts must meet all selected conditions. For example, purchased and opened an email. This narrows the list to highly engaged buyers. Use or when meeting any single rule qualifies a contact. For example, abandoned cart or browsed category. This broadens the audience to capture different types of interest. When your criteria look good, save your work. Click Save Segment, then give it a clear, descriptive name, ideally including the key behavior and time frame, like engaged clickers, last 30 days. Your segment will update automatically in real time as people meet or fall out of the criteria, so you can reuse it confidently for campaigns and automations. That's it. You've set up a focused engagement segment in Omnisend that's ready to power smarter targeting and better results.